If your Samsung A05 is frozen in download mode or shouting a bootloader partition error, don't panic. Today, I'll walk you through the cleanest and most reliable method to recover your device using official firmware and technician-grade flashing techniques. We'll rebuild the correct partitions, upgrade or repair the bootloader, and flash a fresh system image that gets your Galaxy A05 back to factory smooth performance. No shortcuts, no risky files, just a practical, proven fix that works every single time when done correctly. Let's get your phone breathing again. Follow closely, and you'll be out of download mode in minutes. If this video helped you recover your Samsung A05, hit the like button and consider subscribing. I upload real technician-level repair guides for everyday users. If you're still stuck, drop your error message in the comments and I'll help you personally. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, and keep your devices running strong.